Hi Tech Holics, this is DK69 smartwatch. In the box includes the manual, the watch, a 22 mm silicone strap and a wireless charger. The watch activated from the down button. If you want to change watch faces, press the screen for 2 seconds and swipe left or right. Otherwise, you can rotate the button. If you swipe left, you can see the sports: running, walking, football, badminton and others. Continuously has heart rate, weather, and if you tap plus, you can add more options. Swipe right has a menu with battery level, messages, calendar, steps, sleep monitoring, health measurements and others. From bottom to up, I can see my messages. From up to bottom appear a menu with info, settings, Bluetooth settings, brightness control, power save mode, NFC access control and lock screen. The main menu has call, messages, sports, pedometer, sleep, music, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, body temperature, style. This is the style of menu, has 5 different styles. You can change the style of the menu if you tap 2 times the main button. I prefer this style, and continuously has calendar, voice assistant, weather scenes, camera, calculator, breath control, my QR code. You can add your business card at Facebook, at Instagram, compass, timer, what's this? Find phone, stopwatch, motion track, alarm, female, cycle, settings, factory reset, WhatsApp, Facebook, messages. From the settings, we can activate the dynamic island, so on the home screen you have a notification bar. Always on display is an option, although it has an IPS panel. Key definition: you can change the function of the main button. You can change the vibration intensity, and you activate, gesture or deactivate. If you want to protect your watch, you can set a password from here. Languages, let's check it. English, Russian language, Espanol, Deutsch, Italiano and other. Let's go to the app. The app is RDFit. First, I see the dial market with many watch faces. You can choose between pointer, digit or customized. I will install one. Notifications. You can check all. Has phone notification, SMS, WeChat, WhatsApp, Messenger, X, Instagram, Facebook, all the basic apps, Snapchat, okay, Viber. Card bank. From here you can add your QR code from Facebook, Instagram to your watch. And somewhere here we finished. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.